back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are already part of the Mama Tribe, welcome back, mom friend. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make hemp milk. Plus, I will be talking about the health benefits. Now, I want to let you know this is the recipe that I used to give to my twins. I love this recipe. It worked for my kids. However, I will not tell you to give this recipe to your children because YouTube removed my previous video that I made about hemp milk. So this is just another video so you guys can have the recipe on hand, because that previous video, we were all in the comments. A lot of you ladies wanted the recipe for yourself. So that's the reason why I am making this video again. Not to tell you to give it to your kids. And if you want to know why YouTube removed it, go and check out this video. I give you all the deets about that whole little situation. But I had to bring the recipe back to the channel because I know the tribe was feeling that video. And a lot of you were even asking me like, what happened? What happened to the video? So again, ladies, this video is for you. So you can have it because a lot of you were asking about the recipe because you wanted it yourself. I have to make that clear because I do not want this video to be taken down. So I want to jump right into it. So this is going to be my base. I will be using the hemp hearts. And if you have a nut allergy, this will be a great option for you. If you are looking for something that's gluten-free, and if you're looking for a vegan option and a plant-based milk that's easy to digest, then this will be a great option as well. So what I'm going to do is use 3 tablespoons. As you can see, this is the recommended amount to get all of the vitamins and minerals. And this is what I used to do when I would make the formula for my twins. I will go according to the nutritional label. So you get vitamin D, not vitamin D, you get calcium, iron, potassium, thiamine, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese. And you get 10 grams of protein, which is pretty good. So if you do not know this, hemp milk contains all of the essential amino acids, and amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Plus, it has a lot of the healthy fats in it. So this milk is one of the best plant-based options out there. To be quite honest, I think it is the best option. So I'm going to get my measuring spoon and take 3 tablespoons of the hemp seeds. This is how it looks. And guys, you can get this from any health food store. I got this from Whole Foods. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put this to the side. Now I am going to add the Crystal Geyser water. This is one of my favorite waters because it's very inexpensive and it is natural spring water. Go on their website to check out more about the company. I drink this all the time, and my family, they drink it as well. So I'm going to add 16 ounces to my blender. Actually, let me turn it this way so I can make sure. Let's see. All right, put this to the side. Okay, so The next ingredient that I'm going to use is sea moss. Now, this is one of my favorite supplements. Sea moss is high in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. So make sure you go check out my video if you want to. I'm going to link the video right here. Make sure you check out this video after you finish watching this one so you can learn how to make sea moss. So you don't have to. Let me just put it out there. You don't have to use sea moss in your hemp milk. There are a lot of recipes out there about hemp milk, and you don't necessarily have to add sea moss. I just like to add sea moss to my hemp milk because of the vitamins and minerals. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon, add it to it. I like to add sea moss because it thickens the milk, and I just like that creamy consistency. All right, the next thing I'm going to use is 2 dates, and these are medjool dates, non-GMO. So I'm going to add 2 just to sweeten it. Also, dates are high in potassium. My hands are clean. Break it open, take the nut out, just add it. And it's very soft. Stop. All right, and the next ingredient is raw agave nectar. So this is a plant-based sweetener. I like to add it to the milk. It gives it a nice flavor. I'm just gonna add a little bit to it. Okay. Okay, let's add 1 teaspoon. All right. And my last ingredient is pure vanilla extract. This is non-GMO. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Okay. Turn it on high. Okay guys, so I'm about to strain the milk. What I'll be using first is, well, let me do this first. So the first thing I'll use is the strainer, and then I'm going to use the cheesecloth. Okay. It smells so good. So I want you guys to really see what I'm doing. So let me bring this up. All right. And I like to strain my milk a couple of times just so I can make sure that I'm not tasting too many seeds. Now, when I used to give this to my kids, I strained it about 3-4 times just to make sure that it would pass through the nipple. See, it should be flowing. Just flow, 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 flow. All right. One more time. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a cheesecloth if you have a really good strainer. As you can see, mine's like it's just going right through. But I'm just going to show you how to do it with a cheesecloth, just so you can see get a visual of how it's supposed to look. Some people probably prefer to use the cheesecloth. So you don't need a lot. Get my scissors. Cut a little bit. All right, put this up. Now, here. At this, once again, my hands are clean. Spread it out. Okay. Now, just gonna add that. See how it's going through, guys? Okay. And dropped a little bit. Just spread it out. I pretty much got everything out that I needed to get out. Okay, so I have 2 pitchers that I purchased from Walmart. So one is going to be for the straining process, and then I will store the milk in this one. So that batch is ready to go. Look. And the shelf life on this, guys, is about 2 to 3 days. Empty it out. Alright, so I am going to use this cheesecloth once again because it's still good. So spread it out, put it right here, and just want to make sure you hold it tight so the cheesecloth don't fall inside. Take it and just squeeze. Okay, and so that's what came out. Because I pretty much strained everything. So that's the straining process. Now, that is it. That is how you make hemp milk. Okay, ladies, so this is just 16 ounces. Once again, you can make whatever amount you want. You can do 32, 48, 64, whatever the case may be, whatever you like. When I used to make it for my twins, I would do, let's see, I used to make 32 ounces because I would make 16 ounces for each baby. And I was just using the milk as a supplement. But again, I'm not telling you to give this to your child. I gave it to my twins and it helped me big time. So yeah, so that's that. Again, if you are allergic to nuts, this will be a great option. If you are looking for a gluten-free plant-based milk, this will be a great option. If you have issues with digesting milk, then this will be a great option. And again, it has protein, it has your healthy fats, all of your amino acids. I love it. So I'm going to use this within the next 2 to 3 days with my smoothies, and then I'll just drink it regular. But that's it, ladies. I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box. I also will put the shelf life in the description box, and I will leave the nutritional content in the description box as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this with another mom friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. Bye.